Welcome to the Kalamazoo Air Zoo, the location of the Reliability, Process, and Maintenance Symposium, brought to you by Siemens and HECO. The RPM Symposium brings attendees from a variety of industries together, along with industry leaders to discuss technologies, process and innovations that ensure maintenance and reliability of industrial electric motors, automation components, and other rotating and processing equipment. Attendees are able to meet one-on-one with participating vendors, as well as participate in the many discussions and breakout educational sessions given by technical experts. What can one expect while attending the RPM Symposium?
The product that I represent is the Aegis bearing protection ring. It is for bearing current mitigation for electric motors on variable frequency controllers. Each year the attendance has grown. I have met some wonderful people, made great contacts with many people. These are all really business leaders. These are decision makers primarily that attend the show.
Attend the RPM Symposium, they can expect different presentations by different customers that attend. For example, our presentation this year was called The War on Talent, and it's about the struggle that everyone in this industry is facing to find good talent and good employees. But there's also customers that talk about technology, advancing things in their industry like that. So there's a lot of different topics that you can learn about.
Along with the great networking opportunities, participants will also have time to enjoy the Kalamazoo Air Zoo, where one will find a rich environment full of aviation technology and history that's waiting to be explored. If you are ready to discuss topics related to maintenance and reliability of industrial plants and facilities, then this event was made for you. Please join us for the RPM Symposium this September in Kalamazoo, Michigan.